Welcome back people to a new video. Today we're going to talk about Zenmap and Nmap. Zenmap and Nmap are network exploration tools used to scan and map networks, identify hosts and services, and discover potential vulnerabilities. Nmap is a command line tool, while Zenmap is a graphical user interface or GUI that provides a more user-friendly experience for non-technical users. Zenmap is built on top of Nmap, which means it has all the functionality of Nmap and more. Nmap can be used to scan both local and remote networks to identify live hosts, open ports, and operating systems. It can also be used to identify potential vulnerabilities by sending probes to network services and analyzing their responses. This information can be used by system administrators to identify potential security risks and harden their systems against an attack. So Zenmap and Nmap are actually able to go in a remote network, while NetDiscover is only allowed to go in a local network. Okay, so let's go over to the demonstration. We will now download Zenmap onto our Kali machine because this isn't pre-installed. So first of all, we will perform an apt get update command. After that, to make sure we don't have any errors, let's install apt get install libc6-dev. And now we will install the actual Zenmap. Perform the command apt install zenmap-kbx. After the installation process, you can easily find Zenmap back in your navigator. Let's go and type Zenmap. Now we have our actual program right here. So simply enter the IP address or hostname of the target system in the target field. You can also enter a range of IP addresses or a subnet separated by commas or slashes. Select the scan type you want to perform. There are several options including pin scan, quick scan, intent scan and others. The type of scan you choose will depend on your goals and the time you have available. Click the scan button to start the scan, and once the scan is complete, you can view the results in the ports host tab. This will show you a list of hosts that were discovered during the scan, along with the open ports and services that were identified. So remember the IP address you set on your Windows 10 machine. For my machine, this was 129.168.0.150, and let's go and press scan. So now we performed an intense scan on the IP address, and we can see all the discovered open ports. Let's now try to perform an intent scan on the whole network. So change your 150.0/ your subnet mask and press scan again.
I knew exactly what to do, but in a much more real sense, I had no idea what to do.
So we can actually see by using Zenmap that we retrieve more information about our hosts than with NetDiscover. Zenmap or Nmap will help us eventually retrieve vulnerabilities of the hosts, so later on we can use those vulnerabilities to gain access to something or to exploit something. So now, how can you protect yourself from Zenmap? First of all, use a firewall to block unauthorized access to your system and services. Second, implement strong passwords and multi-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Third, monitor your network for unusual activity and investigate any suspicious behavior. Fourth, limit the amount of information that can be discovered about your network by hiding or blocking unnecessary services and ports. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later.